Hello students, I am Sunirmal. You are with SS class. Let's start. Previously we have started a chapter named Sonia's or Dream. And in the beginning, in the first portion, we have learned that Sonia was a very pretty, small and smart girl. She was liked by everybody. She dreamed a dream that by eating the magical cake, she was growing taller and she was now 3 feet tall. And by observing this, by watching this, she began to cry. And from the tears of his crying, from the tears which fell from from her eyes, she she saw that she was in the pool which was formed by her tears, and she was fearing that she might get drowned. So let's continue. Sonia looked about for help and saw a rat sitting on a rock. She said, "Hello, Mr. Rat. How are you?" "I'm fine, miss." "And you?" said the rat. "I'm in danger. Would you help me out?" said Sonia. The rat kept silent, winking its eyes. So Sonia thought of pleasing it and said, "Mr. Rat, I have a pet cat. I will keep you also with it and feed you with milk and biscuits." So let's read again. Sonia looked about for help and saw a rat sitting on a rock. She said, "Hello, Mr. Rat. How are you?" I am fine, miss." "And you?" said the rat. Means I am in danger. "Would you help me out?" said Sonia. The rat kept silent, winking its eyes. So Sonia thought of pleasing it and said, "Mr. Rat, I've means I have a pet cat. I will keep you also with it and feed you with milk and biscuits." So let's read again. Sonia looked about for help and saw a rat sitting on a rock. She said, "Hello, Mr. Rat. How are you?" "I'm fine, miss." "And you?" said the rat. "I'm in danger. Would you help me out?" said Sonia. The rat kept silent, winking its eyes. So Sonia thought of pleasing it and said, "Mr. Rat, I have a pet cat. I will keep you also with it and feed you with milk and biscuits." So, what have we seen? That when Sonia thought that she was drowning, see what had he seen? She saw that there was a rat which was sitting on a rock. So he asked the rat for help by asking the rat, "How are you?" "I'm fine, miss." "And you?" So the rat replied that he is fine, and he also asked Sonia that how she was. Sonia replied that she was in danger and she need help. But When Sonia asked for help, the rat was still silent, winking its eyes. Winking means blinking. That means if you just blink your eyes again and again, so it is called winking its eyes. So Sonia thought of pleasing it and said, Sonia thought that she may please the rat, and so she asked, Mr. Rat. So she said the rat that she has a cat. So she said that she will keep the rat with the cat, and she will feed the rat with milk and biscuits. So we have seen that in the beginning we have seen that Sonia has had an odd dream. She dreamed that she ate a magical cake, and by doing so she was growing taller and taller, and when she began to weep with the tears shedding from her eyes, a pool was formed, and by watching this she became very upset, and she immediately saw herself in the pool, and she cried for help, but there was no one. Suddenly she saw a rat which was sitting on a rock. So she asked the rat to help her, but the rat didn't reply. To please the rat, she said she had a cat, and she will keep the rat with the cat, and she will feed the rat too with milk and biscuits. So that's it. Thank you.